Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Fine. Belated Happy Teachers Day. So, uh, thank you for your wishes. That day it was great, wonderful. The thing. So I think you are the brain behind that. I think. Good. अच्छा बात भी करते हो. So today's session is about what? Yeah. So I'm going to talk about. I'm like an alarm clock, right? So मैं बस वही repeat करता रहता हूँ, लेकिन in a way I come at a regular interval just to wake you up, right, from certain mistakes that you are doing and to bring you on the right path, to motivate you, to guide you to what exactly needs to be done to crack this examination. So before I start, I have a small message for people who are writing mains this year, right? Mains is about to be started like from 16th September. The first paper is essay paper. So those who are writing mains, now I will assume all of you are going to write mains. Anyway, next year September you will all be writing mains. So one thing is you have like 2 to 3 days before your mains. Now for so many of you in your mind, so many thoughts will be coming and going. What to be done, what things I have to complete, what things I have to finish, and these things. But more than what you need to study and what you need to prepare, I would like to talk about two important things. So when you are going for a mains, so more than what you have prepared knowledge wise, the content wise, right, what comes to your rescue on the day of mains is presence of mind, right. The presence of mind is the most important factor. The second is go with an open mind, right. So what people usually do is that they have prepared so much, they have written so many tests, they have prepared short notes for everything. Their mind is revolving around what they have prepared, what they already know, right? Their notes, the things they have written, but seldom they think beyond these things. It doesn't happen regularly that they do not think beyond what they have prepared. In mains, that is what is required. You have to think beyond what you have prepared. If you don't think like that, if you don't have that open mind, if you don't show that presence of mind, what happens? You get easily rattled, get unsettled when you look at a totally new question, right? A question which you might answer, you can answer if you can apply your mind. You will not be able to answer if you have a closed mind, if you lack that presence of mind. So now sleep properly, give importance to sleeping, relaxing, watch a movie, watch podcasts, watch comedy shows, Kapil Sharma show, these kind of things. Relax, sleep well, and when you are writing mains, enjoy the process. If at all, like if somebody has written test, you will know that the speed is lacking at this moment. Even after writing so many tests, those who are going to write mains might have written like 16 to 18 answers out of 20, right? But I have seen over so many years that the best will come out during the actual mains examination. So you might have written like 16 to 18 answers, but in the real mains examination, you will be able to answer all 20 questions if you know answers to all of them, right? So as many questions for which you know answer, you will be able to answer. So don't worry about it, that you will not be able to complete the paper. Second thing is, if you have practiced so many tests, in the end you will have some few minutes left. That is the observation I have made. If you have written so many tests, in the end you will have 5 to 10 minutes to further think about it. But most of the people waste that 5 minutes time, right? So what you must do, you have to come back, read every answer. For example, you have written 18 answers. For 1 or 2 answers, you don't know anything, and you have 5 to 10 minutes. So it is better to come back and add examples to these answers, for which you have already done some decent justice. Like if you have written 10 point, you might have written like 6 to 7 examples. See if you can write 2 to 3 more examples. Like give like 30 to 40 seconds per answer, write some examples. That is better than trying to think some kind of vague, beating around the bush kind of answer to those two questions for which you don't know the answer, right? So this will get you more marks than attempting those 1 or 2 questions for which you actually don't know anything, right? So this all you will be able to relate to yourself.